Thank you, Charlie. And it feels very strange to be attending virtually this 10th WCN Expo and not actually be physically there. But I know that many, many people are taking part all around the world. And I think the most appropriate thing I can do, I mean, it really is appropriate this time, is to give you the greeting of the chimpanzee, the distance greeting. And that should enable you, if you were a chimpanzee, to know who was calling. You'd know that it was Jane, because they all have their different voices and can make contact that way. These expos are just, I look forward to them so much because I am so inspired. All the wonderful people out there working around the world, working to understand animals and their habitats, working with the local communities, working so that we can live in greater harmony with nature. All those wonderful people that I normally meet and hug and go around and look at all their projects. So this time it's different, but maybe in October I'll get to see you all again. I hope so, at the expo in San Francisco. I hope all of you are keeping safe and well. It's a pretty grim time, this COVID-19 pandemic. But you know, the tragedy is it's been predicted for so long, and we've disregarded all the things the scientists have been telling us about how these pandemics start, these zoonotic diseases jumping from animals to people. And it's not the animals' fault, it's us. We've invaded their terrain. We hunt them, we eat them, we traffic them. We sell them in crowded, horrible conditions. We keep animals in intensive factory farms around the world. And it's because animals are being crowded together in their natural habitats, and viruses can spill over from one animal to another, and maybe that animal pushed into closer contact with people, either by the hunting or crop raiding because they're losing food in their own habitat. And this makes the conditions for the virus or other bacteria to spill over into humans. So we have to take heed from this. The hope is more and more people are beginning to understand. And I take a lot of hope and inspiration from all of you WCN Expo grantees out there helping to stop animal trafficking, trying to make this world a better and a safer place for future generations. So I know that many of you attending virtually care passionately, and we're so grateful for all the help that you give us in trying to do just that, make this a better world. So I'm sure this expo is going to be unique and wonderful, inspiring many people, and I wish you all the very best of luck. And thank you, dear Charlie, for starting this wonderful organization, one of the best, if not the best, in the world. So enjoy the conference, and goodbye from Dr. Jane.